Proper storage is an essential but easily overlooked factor in the taste of coffee. Even mild exposure to sunlight or oxygen reduces coffee's shelf life and diminishes flavor, so it's best to keep beans in a dark, vacuum-sealed container. Every canister and canister set on this list was sent to our coffee expert as part of our home testing process.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best coffee canisters in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Fellow Atmos Vacuum Canister. One of the best ways to keep coffee beans fresh is by protecting them from oxygen. Few kitchen canisters do a better job of that than the Fellow Atmos Vacuum Canister. In fact, the brand says its canisters increase coffee shelf life by roughly 50%. After testing the item for 5 weeks, our reviewer confirmed that the canister does keep coffee fresh longer than the majority of other options he used, although he can't definitively corroborate the 50% claim. To make coffee beans last longer, the canister has an airtight seal that forms after users twist the lid back and forth several times. A handy vacuum lock indicator reveals when air has been fully purged from the canister and oxygen is prevented from entering. Along with its performance, our reviewer praised the canister for its stylish design and lightweight but durable material. There are 3 size options: 0.4, 0.7, and 1.2 liters, 2 choices for material: borosilicate glass or stainless steel, and 2 colors available: matte black and matte white. Capacity: 0.4, 0.7, and 1.2 liters. Material: stainless steel and glass. Dimensions: 4.25 by 4.25 by 4.9 inches, 0.7 liter model. Number 2. Planetary Design AirScape Kilo Coffee Canister. The only thing better than coffee is a lot of coffee, but it's tough to buy in bulk when you're worried about all those beans going stale. Luckily, the Planetary Design AirScape Kilo is spacious enough to store a whopping 2.5 pounds of ground or whole bean coffee as well as 5 pounds of flour and sugar, making it one of the largest airtight canisters you can find. Despite its size, our product tester says the item looked sleek and subtle on his countertop thanks to its matte colorways: white, gray, or charcoal. Our reviewer found that what really sets this canister apart is its inner lid, which users press down via a handle to remove the air from inside. Our reviewer tested 7 canisters in total, brewing coffee beans stored in each one over a period of 5 weeks, and the coffee beans kept in this canister tied for first place in freshness and flavor. He also found the AirScape easy to clean, even though it's not dishwasher safe, because its large size let him reach all parts inside with a sponge. Capacity: 3.55 liters. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 7.5 by 7.5 by 8 inches. Number 3. Now Vintage Square Coffee Tin. Suppose you are more into a retro design. The Now Design's Vintage Square Coffee Tin ticks all the boxes. With a turquoise metal tin body and a bamboo lid top, these tins are tastefully embossed with the word coffee in a traditional vintage style. Opaque and with a silicone-sealed lid, these tins will keep your coffee safe from the outside air and any direct sunlight. However, they do not provide a full vacuum-sealed experience and shouldn't be used to store coffee long-term. With a coordinating T-tin option available, a pair of these tins would make a decorative feature in any vintage-style kitchen. Be aware that the sizing on Amazon states the tin holds a generous 50-ounce capacity, but this is incorrect, and the container holds closer to 25 ounces. Number 4. AirScape Kilo Coffee Storage Canister. For those looking to guarantee the maximum freshness of their coffee for longer, look no further than the original AirScape coffee container. AirScape has developed its patent-protected lid design that locks air out and removes all air from within the canister for airless food storage. The one-way CO2 valve ensures that any CO2 the coffee produces can vent away, maintaining the airless seal. The AirScape lid sits down directly on top of your coffee, no matter how full the container is, and a protective glass lid allows you to see your coffee levels without disturbing the vacuum seal. With a sleek stainless steel design in a couple of metallic finishes, the container is sturdy, stackable, and the perfect size for a kitchen counter. Number 5. OXO Steel Pop Coffee Container. OXO manufactures a variety of items to help households run smoothly, including its line of pop containers. This 1.6-liter BPA-free 2-pop container is specifically designed for coffee, and it's one of the best values compared to other coffee canisters out there. The easy-to-use lid forms an airtight seal when the pop button is pressed down. The button can also be used as a handle when raised. Some online reviewers say the button can stick after long-term use, but our product tester found it extremely smooth after 1 month of testing. The canister is large enough to hold a 1-pound bag of coffee, whether ground or whole bean, yet slim enough to save valuable counter space because of its rectangular design. A coffee scoop is included with the purchase, as well. The pop container's corners are rounded, though, so you can pour beans directly from it if you prefer. That was our list of the top 5 best coffee canisters just for you.